Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add glitch transition on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut app and add the photo or the video that you want to edit. In here, I add 3 photos. So if you want to add a glitch transition, so you just click on the box white icon, this one, click on it. And after this, in here you just click on the evac and then click on the glitch. In here you can see many glitch evac. You can see glitch 1, glitch 2, glitch 3, and then you can choose the glitch evac that you want. In here I want to add color glitch, this one, so you just click on it. And then in here you can adjust this button for set the duration. And after this, in here you just click on the check icon at the bottom. Okay, sorry, in here I want to add a glitch color glitch effect to all transition, so you just click on the apply to all. And after this, in here you just click on the check icon at the bottom and finish. So that's how to add glitch transition on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.